The iPhone SE 3 has 12 megapixel rear camera and 7 megapixel front camera, and it also came with new features like, for example, the deep fusion, the photographic style, and also an HDR4. On this video, I'll be showing you some pictures and videos taken with the iPhone SE 3 camera so that you can decide for yourself whether purchasing the iPhone SE 3 because of the camera worth it or not. Please hit the subscribe button down there so that you won't miss the upcoming videos, and so then let's get into it. It's about the iPhone SE 3 camera, and from my own perspective, I will surely purchase the iPhone SE 3 because of the camera, and I will not purchase it because of the battery, because the battery sucks. Thanks for watching. See you on the next video.